My name is Vedika Soni from Meru International School, Hyderabad. So, today we are going to do a DIY do-it-yourself mini vacuum cleaner. So let's get started and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see the materials required. The lollipop block, the measuring cup, the thermocol balls, the cell holder, the cells, the fan, the rocker switch, and motor bit. So the first step is slide to open the battery holder and insert the batteries. So take the battery holder and take the battery cells. So in the positive sign there will be this bigger one, and in the negative sign, that means the minus place, it will be the flat one. So it will go like this. Now it's a little confusing over here. So the bigger one should go now over here and the smaller one should go next to the spring. Now, next step is we have to close the lid. Insert the motor bit into the lollipop. Next step. It will be like this. Attach the fan. So here is my fan. Connect the rocker switch to the motor bit. Okay, so here is the rocker switch. So we have to connect it to the motor bit. So it should be like this lock. Connect the battery holder to the rocker switch. Now we have to connect it to the rocker switch like this. Push this. Connect the beaker to the motor bit as shown. Oh, it's a little bit loose. It's got attached. Now attach the holder bit to the lollipop. It's already attached. See, this is a rocker switch which can work in the both of the sides. So now let's see. This is moving clockwise. This is moving anti-clockwise. Now let's do the experiment of vacuum cleaner. So when we'll turn on this vacuum cleaner, then it will suck the thermocol balls from the air inside. Let's see. Did you enjoy my experiment? So please subscribe my channel and follow it. Don't trouble your parents and don't forget to clean up.